The for loop is a convenient looping structure, alternative to the while loop, that has the following syntax. Its header begins with keyword for, followed by a variable name, followed by keyword in, followed by a Python list, and ending with a colon character. Then we have a sequence of indented statements that form the body of the loop. This is the way it works. The body of the for loop is executed as many times as elements we have in the list provided in the header. In each iteration, the variable given in the header of the loop is set to each one of the values in the list, in the same order in which they appear. Take a look at this example. Here, the body of the for loop is formed of just one print statement. That statement runs exactly 3 times, because there are 3 elements in the list of the header. In each iteration of the loop, variable x takes one of the values in the list. Let's look at a step-by-step execution. In the first iteration, variable x is set to string John, and the print call prints Hi John. The second time around, x is set to string Mary, and the print call says Hi Mary. Finally, the last iteration sets x to Adam and prints Hi Adam. Python would then continue executing the first non-indented statement after the loop. Here's a more sophisticated example. Let's assume the user of an online store has added a set of products to their cart, and we're interested in calculating the total amount due at checkout as the sum of the price of all products. The following code starts by declaring a variable called prices and saving it as a list of integers set to 5, 15, 8, and $4. Then we declare a new variable called total, in which we will accumulate the sum of all items progressively. With a for loop, we traverse the list of prices, and we use a variable called price in singular to be set to each individual element of list prices in plural, each iteration of the loop. In the body of the loop, we print a message indicating the item of the list being currently processed, and we add that value into variable total. When the loop ends, we report the calculated total with the last print call. The output of this program looks like this: adding 5 to total, adding 15 to total, adding 8 to total, adding 4 to total, and finally, total:32. If you enjoyed this content, you may watch the rest of this lesson at computersciencecamp.com, linked in the description below. You'll be able to follow along with coding samples and problems in our embedded code editor. Drop your questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help support the channel. Thank you, and happy coding!